I love winter cooking when the kitchen gets all cozy and it's warm and the food smells as good as you know it's going to taste. Roasting rules in the winter. And here's some of our favorite items to roast it right. For larger cuts of meat or birds, you're going to need a proper roasting pan. We tested a bunch of them. This is our favorite one. This is the Calphalon Contemporary stainless steel roasting pan with rack. It proved really good at browning consistently and evenly both in the oven and for stovetop searing. It's got big beefy handles that are easy to grip even with oven mitts, which of course you'll be wearing because it's gonna be hot. And it also comes with this roasting rack. And that's the source of our only gripe. The roasting rack actually slides around a little bit. Some testers thought it could fit more snugly. But that's a minor thing. Don't worry too much about it. Typically, this pan costs about $140. Some people don't roast all that often and may want to spend a little bit less, so we actually have a best buy also. This is the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro stainless steel 16-inch roasting pan, also with a rack. It did almost as well as the winner, and this one usually costs around $90. The prices of both of these pans can vary, so we suggest checking before you decide which one you want to buy. Now, truth to tell, a lot of the roasting that I do, I forget about a roasting pan altogether because the items are smaller, like chicken parts or fish fillets or one of those multi-ingredient sheet pan meals. In that case, I will reach for one of these. This is a rimmed baking sheet, aka half sheet pan. It measures about 13 inches by 18 inches, so it's plenty spacious. The sides are usually about an inch tall. And this is our favorite one. This is the aluminum Nordic Ware Baker's Half Sheet. It's about $15. It's really even cooking. It resists warping. And in fact, the test kitchen has about 900 of these puppies. So I will personally vouch for the fact that it stands up to punishing daily use. Now, having the right pan is important, but it's not going to ensure that you can't accidentally overcook whatever it is you're roasting. For that, you are going to need a probe thermometer. It's got a couple of parts. This is the temperature sensor that goes into the thickest part of whatever you're roasting. You run that out the oven door, plug it into the receiver, which sits outside of the oven. You program the finished temperature that you want to reach, and this will sound an alarm when the food's heated up to that temperature. This is our favorite probe thermometer. It's the ThermoWorks Chef Alarm. It's about $59. We loved it because it's accurate, it's really easy and intuitive to use, it can be calibrated. This is really a secret weapon in the kitchen. You will never overcook a roast again.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.